How to log in Scotiabank app. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can log into the Scotiabank app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now logging into the Scotiabank app is actually very simple to do. So all you have to do is first of all download the Scotiabank mobile banking application and then open it up, and then here you should be able to see the continue to sign in options. So you want to simply go ahead and then go to the sign in button. Now right here you can see that what's new or sign in. So basically first of all tap on sign in. All you have to do is simply make sure to enter the username of your mobile banking account or the card number. Once done, tap the next option. It will take you to the page where you can enter the password and then you can log into your mobile banking. Now in case you happen to forget your credentials, you can tap on forgot your username or password option. Select a reason as to how you forgot it and the way that you'd like to recover it, and then you should be able to recover them. That's all it takes to log into the Scotiabank app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.